up if you're a citizen of nowhere and you're not scared.
What's up everybody, Thomas Anderson, DCIV, and today we're in the little bando. Sunil FPV is here, shot with my drone. We're gonna do some little chase. He's trying out this manta. What is your camera angle? Let me match it. Okay.
They call me the bar breaker. You should kick me out the club. I'm a big bad wolf. I'm a Jameson thug. I wave high while I'm cave diving day high. Coated in KY with orgy on the hayride. I hustle like an Ethiopian custodian. Quick, grab the trophies. You can leave behind the opium. Executive American, all the way from a derelict. Drinking at the Sheraton, daring chicks into marriages. Oh yeah, marry me, baby. Half hour later, you can carry me, baby. I'm skinny dipping, swimming with young Dominican women. Last time I wasn't pimping, it's been a minute. No need to pay me to, I'm drinking in some Daisy Dukes. 80 proof, get retarded like a baby do. I'm so good at rap, it's not even fair. You know my this shit pangs, I ain't talking about hair. Come on. Three smoking hot chicks and a couple of babes. Call me the mailman, how I come every day. If you ain't feeling my this shit's completely understandable. I'm beyond rap, homie, I'm speaking animal. Think about leaving, they calling me bro. Finish a bottle and I'm good to go. No, you're all lame and I'm not even bow. So untouchable, I'm in the zone. Fall back, dibby-dip, what you call that? Dip the dick, better lick to the attack. Bring a kid to the kid and I'm on that. Alright, Ogun. They all are my newish thugs and they're students. Girl, I'm a cowboy, baby, I'm a nuisance. I'm a problem. Tell me that you love me. You can be a model, it don't matter if you chubby. Tickle, tickle, on my ways in the middle. Give me trouble, big girls, they make me feel so little. Take your clothes off, we're streaking in my kitchen. Hunting, fishing, kissing.
So I was tired, not a good excuse, but I couldn't fully focus, so I was like bah bah, and I crashed in the fucking ledge there from all the places. So going to find like a ladder or a stick, and I have my drone fishing gear with me, so let's go on some drone fishing hunt. Bom, bom, bom. We're gonna do the double whammy using the drone pole and the fishing lure. Yes. Ready for some drone fishing. Lang breed dat het rol like van aluminium is.
Ja.
Die salaat is wel een goed idee. Buis is te lang om Plan B, hacking, the scaffold, get some elevation. Maybe put a ladder on it, we'll see. So I got the drone, I took a small ledge and pressed it through, so I got it. So, but this is also the nasty side of flying bando. You get dirty, you crash. But if you didn't crash, did you really fly? And I had an awesome flight. So this one is Sunil or grabbing a stick. I got it already, but it's good to have bando mates. Never go alone. You will always have your back. It's important. Yo, keep cracking.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
A world where anything is possible. Where we go from there is a choice I leave to you.